WhatsApp calls not working, how to fix. So if you're not being able to make or receive calls on WhatsApp, it could be a very simple underlying issue. But before that, you want to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine, because due to a proper internet connection, you might not be able to make calls. Now, whenever you're making calls on WhatsApp, if it's a voice call or an audio call, it will require you to access your microphone. If it's a video call, it will require you to access your microphone and also your camera. So you have to make sure the WhatsApp app has access to both of these settings. To do so, open up settings on your Android phone and you want to scroll down and select the option called apps. Then from the top, go to app management, and from the list of apps, search for WhatsApp. Now from WhatsApp, go to the option called permissions, and under permissions, the first permission is camera. Select that and make sure to set this to allow while using the app. Similarly, you want to come back and select microphone and set this also to allow while using the app. Now when you've enabled both of these options, next time you should be able to make or receive calls on WhatsApp. On iPhone also, you can follow the similar steps. Then also go to your Play Store or App Store, again search for WhatsApp and check if the app has an update, and if it does, also make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.